Tripod. Getting ready for the group pic real quick. Right. Let's go. Oh, heck yeah.
This is that thing here, tubing.
Tubing? Okay.
Yep, right down the street.
You can go y'all in your phone. What about you and your mom? This is pretty. The memories. We still see you, Sherman. Oh, I thought that was a video. It's not. I mean, I thought that was a photo. It's not.
That is a good picture, though.
Wow.
Maybe they had an extra pair.
What is it? Oh, it's a little trail down in here. Oh, sweet. Oh, sweet. There is some kind of stack down there. You do that right? Or go on the right side? Yeah. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. No, you're fine. Look and see if you see some fish in there. Sweet.